Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about major pollutants from an IC engine. So both petrol and diesel engines are crucial. A petrol engine makes our daily life easy, but diesel engines are good power unit for transportation and heavy vehicles. So what's pollution? Pollution is like anything that enters in our atmosphere which has harmful effect and unexpected results on life of our whole planet. So the major pollutants from an IC engine is hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur dioxide. These pollutants should be limited from a vehicle exhaust as government regulations. So the exhaust gases are also known as tailpipe emissions. So these are also known as tailpipe emissions, and emissions control will be discussed later. Before that, how these gases are emitted by an automobile. So first we will talk about carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is also here. Of course, CO2 is emitted from automobiles, but this is not a pollutant. It is used by plants during photosynthesis to produce oxygen, but CO2 is a greenhouse gas and it contributes to global warming and greenhouse effect. And however, carbon dioxide is an ideal byproduct of combustion, and its value increases as the air fuel ratio increases from 8:1 to 15:1. Here you will notice how carbon dioxide in exhaust increases. So this is a rich mixture and carbon dioxide is minimum here, and as the air fuel ratio goes to increase, as the air fuel ratio move towards lean mixture, then the carbon dioxide exhaust increases and it goes to 18%, and then again at stoichiometric point it's maximum, and when the mixture air fuel mixture goes to be lean, then the carbon dioxide decreases by some amount. Air fuel having air fuel ratio slightly more than 14 has the highest carbon dioxide value. So what's the problem here is that a lean mixture has more CO2 emission and a rich mixture has less CO2 but very high hydrocarbon and carbon monoxide emissions. So that's the reason why we need alternative fuel for automobiles. Also, to reduce CO2 in our environment, we can only plant more and more trees, as CO2 is greenhouse gas and it traps and absorbs the sunlight in the form of heat to cause global warming. So plant more trees and save earth. Now we will move on carbon monoxide. So it is also a byproduct of combustion. It is poisonous in nature, also colorless and odorless. It causes dizziness, headaches and O2 starvation, which results to death. Carbon monoxide emissions are caused by lack of air or too much fuel in the air fuel mixture. As the air fuel ratio becomes richer, the carbon monoxide level increases. If the air fuel ratio is leaner, the carbon monoxide emissions remain very low. So here you will notice that a rich mixture has much carbon monoxide than a lean mixture. So when there is not enough oxygen, carbon monoxide is formed.